You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this curious name. It is a bit confusing. I believe it is of Gaelic origin, Irish, and other origins around this area, Scottish maybe sometimes. So there's going to be slightly different pronunciations depending on the origin, the region. So it's generally pronounced in Irish, Dougherty, Dougherty, okay, Dougherty. Now this k sounds a little like a K sometimes, so you may hear some people say it as Dougherty. Some make it sound a bit more like an H, especially the English pronunciation, since the K sound doesn't exist in English. Most common pronunciation in English is as Dougherty, Dougherty, Dougherty. It's not bad, Dougherty, Dougherty in Irish, or some say it also as Dougherty. Did you get this? Was this any useful? How do you pronounce it, and where are you from? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.